Hey there everybody, Amanda Shell here at WTB again with our special guest, Sonia the Hedgehog. Sonia here communicates in a lot of different sounds, and I'm going to show you one that's kind of, well, it's her defense sound. So, if I were to poke her, do you hear that? If she gets really stressed out, her whole body like rattles. She was not a social pet, which is why we have her. She was surrendered as an elderly pet because, well, they're not exactly cuddly and friendly. It's a hedgehog. Anyway, we're done making her make her defense sound. Sorry, Sonia. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.